Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Edge browser high CPU and memory usage. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Microsoft Edge and click on the three dot icon and select extensions and select manage extensions. You just need to disable or remove unnecessary extensions in here. After doing it, press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus delete key together in your keyboard. In this page you just need to time range set this to all time. You just need to check mark cached images and files and check mark cookies and other site data. In after setting both boxes, and you just need to select the clear now option. On the left side select system and performance, and just need to turn on the efficiency mode. After turning on, you just need to turn off this continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. You just need to turn it off. And now select the about Microsoft Edge and it will automatically check for updates. If any updates available, it will automatically updates up. If you're still facing the problem after doing these steps, then you just need to select the reset settings option on the left side and select restore settings to their default values and select the reset option and reset it. After doing it, our problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.